I'm excited to be here and speak on behalf of the work at Tyler Heights this morning. My name is Sarah Daniels. Our principal is Julia Walsh, and she is unable to join us. But we do feel the impact of being a fifth-year community school here at Tyler Heights every single day, and we're excited to be able to share a peek at that impact by the numbers with you. I'm going to start at the top. We're number one. We have the highest rate of attendance of any Title I school in all of Anne Arundel County Public Schools. And we really feel that that is in due to the work that we will be sharing below. We also have the highest rate of poverty in Anne Arundel County, and that's what made us a community school back in 2019. And I have been here in this work with Ms. Walsh ever since, and we're excited to share how our work has grown throughout that time. So this year we partnered with Total Health to bring a telemedicine program here into our health room. Right now, that's serving 25 of our families who are uninsured and uninsurable. That means that students were out sometimes for days waiting for an appointment at an urgent care clinic. Parents were missing work and paying out of pocket for those visits. And now, thanks to this partnership, it's a sliding scale fee based on their income, and they're able to receive that attention right here in our health room. And if they need subsequent visits, they're able to get transportation provided to see specialists. And we're already seeing a turnaround in attendance for those students. It's remarkable. We offer an extensive after-school enrichment program. This year, we've offered over 1,600 hours of enrichment, and that's really based on the surveys that parents have provided. They're asking for opportunities for their students to stay with us and to learn, not just for aftercare. So this marking period alone, we're offering a co-curricular program through Project Lead the Way. We have Mathletes here in partnership with Title I. We have an art club, music club. Students are staying after to practice their instruments so that when it comes time to apply for those magnet programs, they have the skills that they need to be competitive. We have a second grade Glee Club, and while I haven't seen it yet, I am excited to see. It is our first adventure in Glee Club. At Tyler Heights, we have an undefeated cricket team. And our cricket team travels from here to Prince George's County to compete. And we're looking forward to taking home the gold this year. Last year it was bronze. Let's see. We have a baseball team now in partnership with Pip Moyer and Baseball for All. It's our first adventure in baseball, but we're excited to offer this program and stand alongside our parents as they cheer their students on and after school. It's always exciting to hear the voices of parents who are cheering for their students and seeing them be successful. We have a volleyball program, and we're playing all tag all the time. So those programs are offered Monday through Friday here at Tyler Heights from 3 to 4, and some of them even from 4 to 5. We know that our parents and students want more, and this is an area in after-school enrichment where we know we need to grow, but we can't do any more without the support of our partners. So we're really leaning into partnerships like that with Pip Moyer, with Annapolis Parks and Recreation, to see how we can expand and get our students out into the community and involved in additional activities. We're also looking forward to providing an activity bus. Tyler Heights is largely a walking school, but we do have 2 neighborhoods that come to us by bus. And by expanding next year and offering buses, we hope to be able to offer even more programs to our students. This year alone, we offered 72 events designed to connect our families to community resources and promote kindergarten readiness. We offer those events every Wednesday at 5 p.m. and every Friday morning at 10 a.m. The 5 p.m. themes vary based on the community resources and partners who are able to come and speak with our families. You might see Luminous Health here. You might see someone talking about diabetes prevention. We might have Central de Ayuda here talking about preparing for the citizenship test. Maryland Hall might be here for some family fun and a parent night, or our partners at Annapolis City Police Department could be having a movie night. Those 5 p.m. events are really for the larger family to engage and learn and grow together here in our school. On Friday mornings, we welcome a group of about 35 young moms and one very brave dad for programs focused on birth to 5 and kindergarten readiness. We do not have a Judy Center here at Tyler Heights, so this is really an opportunity for our young families to connect to the school and learn and grow together. They will be together as a community throughout their educational career. And so this is a great opportunity for them to develop those relationships as parents and as young students to sustain them throughout their time in Anne Arundel County Public Schools. We also have expanded our offerings for social, emotional, and behavioral health supports. And this has really grown in response to survey responses. When I first started in 2019, we had a very small portion of our families who were requesting these supports, and we've really been able to meet the demand as it's grown, and that's phenomenal. This year alone, we offered over 12 weeks of group therapy for over 25 parents. They meet here in the late evening with Maria Winters, who is a counselor who's bilingual here in the city of Annapolis. And they, I think the most impactful statement is one of the moms came to me afterwards and said, we all agreed we just felt so much lighter after having spent time and shared our experiences with one another. We have a wait list for that program now, and we look forward to expanding our work with Maria Winters in the coming years. Through our Concentration of Poverty grant, we also offer a bilingual specialist for our students to be able to access our monolingual service providers here at Tyler Heights. Over 68% of our students are multilingual learners, and overwhelmingly they speak Spanish in home, and that's the language that they prefer speaking in. In order to be able to allow them to express themselves and using their full linguistic repertoire, having our bilingual specialist, Ms. Bobro, in those sessions with our monolingual behavior specialist, our social worker, and our guidance counselor have really deepened the services that those providers are able to give to our students. She is in high demand. We see her all throughout the building every day, and it's really her work with students and our monolingual providers that have grown those services for our families and students here at Tyler Heights. Last but not least, we see, again, as a school with the highest rate of poverty, a demand for increased access for fresh fruits and vegetables in our homes. We've offered that in connection with over 80 events throughout this school year. Back in 2019, we started our community resource fairs, and since then, we have been able to serve over 100,000 individuals with the support of our community partners here at Tyler Heights. At their height, those events served over 600 families, and we continue to support our families today in their recovery. We see about 150 families each Saturday. We also make sure that we leverage the power of our partners to bring those fresh fruits and vegetables to additional workshops. So on those Friday events, when parents are here learning about those strategies, we send them home with fresh fruits and vegetables. When they're here on Wednesdays, again, we're reaching out to our partners at Food Rescue US to make sure that we can send them home with those items that they need. It's a way to honor their time and also a way to help them meet an express need within their families. We couldn't do this work without the support of our partners. Annapolis City Police Department, as everyone has shared, is here with us hand in hand, not just supporting our students, but our families as well. We know that our parents are reluctant to reach out when they need that support, and having that friendly face of Mr. Hudson here, not just for our students, but during our parent workshops, has been a huge asset. We couldn't provide fresh fruits and vegetables without our friends at Blessed and Tech, Marshall Hope, and Food Rescue US. Their trio partnership is what really makes this happen for our families each week. And our enrichment programming, we couldn't do without our partners like STARE. And finally, Centro de Ayuda is really in it with us, supporting our community in new and innovative ways. They're the people that I reach out to when I say, I have an idea, how can we make this happen? And we are so grateful to see where the next years take us. Please let me know if you have any questions.
That was great, Sarah. Any questions for Sarah? As people are thinking, one of the stories that Sarah often tells is they've been doing so many programs with what we call our not yet children, so the infants and toddlers in the community. There are children who now attend Tyler Heights Elementary that Miss Daniels actually held on her hip when they were babies, and so it just shows that connection to the community. And then those families are so excited to send their children to Tyler Heights and to Miss Daniels. So